Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a crochet kit that I got sent from a great company called Fiberivore. So this is the kit. It is for this adorable turtle and the kit is called Terry the Turtle. If you want to go get this, I will put the link for this exact kit in the description below, as well as just a link to the website, Fiberivore. But yeah, this is a beginner kit. It has everything you need. It has yarn, needle, safety eyes, a crochet hook, stitch marker, stuffing, pattern, even has video tutorials for left-handed and right-handed people. But yeah, I'm just super excited to show you guys this kit. So I have flipped my camera around and this is what the kit looks like. And the bottom says a bunch of information. You can go subscribe to them on YouTube, go look them up on TikTok. But yeah, it has everything you need. Let's open it up and I'll show you what's inside. So first we have the stitch markers, safety eyes, and needle. Everything's in here. Some stuff is just kind of stuck in there. But we have everything we need in here. We have the little step-by-step instructions. And it says the skill level. We have some really nice yarn. It's like beginner-friendly yarn. It's very easy to see, very easy to hold. We have the colors we need for the turtle. We have the hook that comes with the kit, and of course, our stuffing. So that's everything that comes with the kit. And now I'm gonna test the kit out and see if I can make Terry the Turtle. I will be making this project and show you the finished product of what I get at the end. And I'll be giving you my honest opinion for this kit as well. I am almost done with the head and I cannot stress how much I love this yarn. It has such an amazing feel and texture, and because the yarn is kind of like this tube, it doesn't split if you accidentally don't go through the entire stitch, which is absolutely amazing. And it just looks so perfect and it feels so great. Another thing I absolutely love about this kit is that the backing of the stitch markers have these little pre-made cuts in them, so they're super easy to pop on to the back of your safety eye, which makes it so easy for a beginner. I have finished all of the small parts with the beige yarn. Now I'm going to make the shell with this really like nice green color. Like, I love this green, it's so pretty. I just need to sew the head on and I'm all done. I have the final product. It is so cute. This is Terry the Turtle. And I would like 100% recommend this kit, especially if you just are getting started and like want to get into crocheting. This is literally the cutest thing ever. The yarn is so soft and easy to handle. It comes with literally everything you need and it's literally amazing. So go check out the link down below. They have a bunch of other cute designs as well that you can buy and make. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much to Fiberivore for sending me this wonderful kit, and I'll see you all in some future videos.